Hi everyone, my name is Stefania and today I will show you how to make a very crunchy and simple Floam slime with white glue. Please subscribe, comment and like my video if you want. Thank you. I will add the food coloring little by little until I will get the color I want. In this case I chose purple because this is my favorite color. So now, after I am pleased with the result of the color, I think I will add some glycerin, boraxide glycerin from the pharmacy to activate this slime. You will see that I will add little by little this activator too, because I want to make it not so hard, not so activated. Now I am very pleased with how it looks this time, so I decided to put this white floams into the slime to make it crunchy. I will play definitely right now with this crunchy slime until I activate it totally. Let's see what I will have here. Just listen to this amazing and satisfying sound. So I see now that this slime is a little bit sticky. I will add a little bit more of activator. You saw that I added more activator because I like it a little bit more harder than I want. So you can add less or more, it's depending on your preference.